Hello, beautiful people. Today, listen, I'm going to be talking about the importance of having multiple streams of income. Listen, in today's economy, in today's world, we need to have multiple streams of income. One income is just so unsecure. Even if you have a two household family, y'all need to have another source of income coming into the home. I'm Coach TamaraDarice, and I'm here to tell you when my position was eliminated in 2023, I lost my job November 2023. I was living on one source of income. I had all the things in place, but I still only had one source of income. Had I had multiple or at least two sources of income coming in, my transition from that role would not have been as difficult as it was. So, one stream of income, as we all know, can dry up without warning. Listen, people are being let go in droves, like in high numbers. People are losing their jobs. I saw a woman on TikTok talking about how she had been let go and she had been at the same employer for 25 years. And she said that she had this list, this notepad of all the companies that she's been applying to, and she's not getting anything. And she's a mature woman. And listen, had she had a second source of income, she could have taken all of her energy that she had been putting in that 25-year job into that second source of income, or she can start another business. So that is what I'm here to talk about today. Without warning, one phone call, just one phone call can change everything. One meeting put on your calendar can change everything without warning. A lot of us, we sense in our spirit that something's getting ready to happen. But if you're sensing that and you still only have one source of income coming in, there's really nothing that you can do but start up something to get another source of income coming in while you're looking for another job. So, um, the corporate is just really unstable. Just working at all is unstable. But so a second source of income that also allows you to turn your pain into profit. Listen, when I lost my role, it's like grieving something because I lost something. I have a career that I have put several years into. I've gone to college, and to lose my role and to be unemployed is huge. It's painful. It can be embarrassing, but you can turn that pain into another source of income. Another stream of income coming in. You can turn that pain into profit. You can turn that pain into starting a digital marketing business. You can turn that pain into starting a business on social media. You can turn that pain into becoming a freelancer, into uh selling products online. You can get into AI, become an AI consultant. You can become a social media a consultant. You can become a virtual assistant. You can start a bookkeeping business. You can, there's so many things that you can do and use social media doing it. And so turn that pain into profit. Gamble on yourself. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Trust that you can do it. If you can get up every morning and go to work for somebody else, for sure you can get up every morning and go to work for you. For sure you can get up and get dressed and work overtime for you. You can do it. I know you can. I'm doing it. You can turn that pain into profit. So another point is you deserve options, not just obligations. So we have jobs, we're obligated to them. We're obligated to giving them 40 hours a week. And in some instances, we give them more than 40 hours a week. But we're obligated to them, we're obligated to the job. We're obligated to getting up, leaving our houses in some instances, going somewhere and being there for 40 hours a week. We're obligated to that. But at the drop of a dime, at a phone call, at a meeting invite, it can be over. A letter, a note, a call coming to my office, it can be over just like that. So while we're being obligated to them, we need to start being obligated to ourselves, obligated to your household, obligated to starting something that you are the boss of, something that you are the CEO of, something that you are the CFO of, something that you handle the operations, you handle the customer service, something that you run from beginning to end. And I'm going to talk to you about a course that I have that you can do just that. But you have options. There are options out here. Social media is a great place to start a business, a great place. So the course that I have, it is called, my business is called Transform 180 with Digital Product Marketing. And the course that I purchased is Digital Profits U. Digital Profits U, also known as DPU, has community. So not only are you getting a robust digital marketing course that's going to teach you digital marketing, it's going to teach you social media, it's going to teach you all the components that you need to for digital marketing. You don't need a certificate to be in digital marketing. You don't need a degree to be in digital marketing. This course, it has over 300 videos that teach you digital marketing. If you are new to social media, this course is specifically for you. If you are not new to social media, but there's things, but you want to start a business and you know that there's things that you need to learn, this course is for you. If you want to make money online selling digital products, this course, which is a digital product, is for you. It has a low overhead. So the course, it costs $599. When you purchase the course, the first sale that you make, you will recoup the $599 that you paid for the course because you receive 100% of the profits because you own the course. You will have master resale rights. It is not an affiliate program. You will not owe me any money or who the person not purchased it from. You won't owe them any money. You will receive 100% of the profits of what you sell. Now, there is a job description to Digital Profits U. There is a job description to selling this digital marketing course. And that job description is that you are responsible for creating content, which is marketing, to get people to purchase your course. Now, the course teaches you how to do all of that. On top of the community has things like there's this section on called Gold Mine. There's a section in there on AI. There's in the community, we meet one time per week. And when we meet one time per week, we are receiving master level instructions or master level conversations, master level lessons on how to build a profitable, viable, scalable business online every single week. And I'm telling you, it is rapid fire, amazing information that we are receiving hot off the press. It's information that you can go and use right away because it's cutting edge. It's information that's fresh. It's information that's new. It's aligned with AI. It is things that can help you to scale in your business, help you to grow in your business. So when you're spending the $599, you get so much. You get the course and you're getting training every single week on how to run an amazing business. So you need to have multiple streams of income. If you don't purchase from me, if you don't sell the digital marketing course, please find something in social media. I have the saying, find your place in this digital space. Let me help you find your place in this digital space. Another thing you get from purchasing this course from me, you're going to get the course, you're going to get the community, and I'm going to have a bonus where you'll get a one-on-one rapid fire business strategy coaching session with me. I am a coach, but you're going to get that, and we're going to sit down and strategize about your business, about the direction that you want your business to go. Okay, and so head over to my website. It's Transform 180 with Digital MKT.com to learn more about this course or to just pull the trigger and go ahead on and buy your course. It's currently on sale for $500. It is not going to be on sale for $500 too much longer. It's going to go up to $599. So if you head over now, you can grab it for $500. Also, I have a free a digital product that you can download directly from my store, and it is an elite guide to digital income. An elite guide to digital income. It's going to teach you some of the components of digital marketing. So the course again, it is amazing. The reason why I purchased is because I had started a coaching business and I needed help understanding social media. I needed help understanding how to market my business on social media and also market my business outside of social media. So the course helped me with the components of advertising my business on social media. And then I got all into, and plus I could sell this course. So I got all into it. And I absolutely love selling the course. I love the freedom that it brings. You make content, you can work as much or as little as you want, but you have to make content. It can't get away from making content. If you want to make faceless content, you can make faceless content. You can have a faceless channel. You can have a channel where you're showing your face like I'm doing now, and a channel that's faceless. Or you can use AI, artificial intelligence, to help you to make content. Or you can use another AI tool. I think it's called Opus or Opus, OPUS, where you could take a video that you're making, it'll break it out into shorts that you can upload those shorts. So there's so many things that you can do to help you to run your business. And of course, you have Chat GPT to help you with content. And then you have us. We want to do business with you. You will have me. You will have my coach who's been in social media and the digital marketing space for over 17 years. So you're not dealing with a novice. She's not a novice. I'm no longer a novice. And plus, I have 20 plus years in corporate. So let's go. Let's go. Please, whatever you do, make sure you get another stream or streams of income coming in because there's so much uncertainty out here. There's so much. They will let you go at the drop of a dime. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Blessings.